going to start by cleansing my skin. Looking good and feeling good means different things to different people. For me, it definitely starts with skincare, taking a good care of my skin. After cleansing, I'm going to use an essence, and this is something you've seen me talk about so many times in the last year, and this is the L'Oreal Paris Crystal Micro Essence. This feels quite watery. It's something that's going to suit all skin types. It penetrates up to 10 layers deep, makes your skin hydrated and radiant. And how I like to use it is that I apply this 3 to 4 times by just tapping it into the skin, and this gives me instant glow and makes my skin look really plump and hydrated. In the next step, just going to moisturize my skin really well. Like I said, for me, it always starts with skincare, and having skin that feels good, that looks healthy, you can get away with wearing very little makeup and still feeling presentable and good in your skin. I also like to give myself a little bit of a face massage because this boosts circulation and gives an instant glow to your skin. Going to add some lip balm so that my lips look nice and moisturized without any dryness and flakiness. And starting with the makeup now, I'm going to use very few products. Using a concealer to conceal certain areas where I have uneven skin tone, and just using my finger to blend it. The underlying skincare makes it very easy for the concealer to blend, so please don't skip those steps if you want to help your concealer or your foundation blend well into your skin. In the next step, I'm going to fill in my brows and brush them upwards to give them a nice definition. Now going in with some color, this is my favorite trick for everyday quick makeup. I use a lip stain and dab it on the lips as well as on the cheeks, and this instantly just makes my complexion look a bit healthier, and it's easy and quick to do as well. I also like to use that color a little bit on the nose because it just gives that overall flush, makes it look really fresh and healthy. And now coming to the eyes, I'm going to keep it really simple by curling my lashes first, and you can see this makes a massive difference. Instantly opens up the eyes, makes them look less tired. And then I'm going to go in with a mascara that adds a little bit of length and definition, but not too much volume because I'm going for a softer, almost no makeup look. And that is the final look. This makes me feel put together. It's quick and easy, and doing that bit of skincare in the beginning is my expression of self-care, and it always makes me feel really good. Now just getting ready for the day, going to add in my earrings, add a little bit of fragrance, and that is the final finished look. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. See you soon in the next one. Bye.